This guy says he's turning left, but he's not in the turning lane, so I hope he's okay.
Day one venture out.
We might slide a bit here. This road's not very good.
Just a little bit of winter going on.
Going a solid 35 kilometers an hour. Yeah, 50.
Two handster.
I don't know if this is going to be a 3-lane or
So
not.
this road technically is supposed to be 2 lanes on one side, 2 lanes on the other.
And 3 at the lights.
And it is not.
I don't know who we're sliding. And I'm over the other line. I thought they said they were plowing these streets.
We are on our way to get eggs and Connor. You're doing good, Lana.
Oh, yeah. I hear that nice stop there.
And we have many of these lovely little guys around town, thank God.
I can't see the lights. Oh, there we go. Okay. Green means go, buddy. I don't want to get stuck.
You'll be okay. Just take your time going around. Don't swear. Woo! Snow! At least the sun is shining today. We are all going blind, though, between the sun and all this white snow.
This road's
The mall was closed yesterday and half of today. And we're hoping the grocery store's open. We're thinking it is.
grocery store's not open, I quit. Look at the patio at East Sides.
Patio at East Side.
There is no
Oh!
patio. That's the joke.
Oh my goodness. And we're stopping again.
It's green though.
Well,
See, that's why I want a truck. You just
you're
put a plow on the
not
front of
getting
the
a
truck
truck. You're
and
fine.
clean the street.
There are no sidewalks to speak of. All these poor
Oh my
pedestrians.
god, yeah. Right lane traffic's okay though. And I didn't even look to see if anyone was coming by.
You are rocking, Alana.
You know?
You are
I'm
Canadian.
still a Canadian driver.
Yay! Theirs is open.
God. Okay.
Not bad.
Get rid of the
Parking lot is plowed. It's a happy day.
cloud. Okay.
Sort of plowed. And there's the big snow hill from yesterday.
Yes.
That all was plowed out of the parking lot yesterday.
That's nice.
I'm going to shut this off for now. Bye. Say bye, Alana.